If you want to compare the full specs of these two phones, use the link in the description down below. In this video, I'm sharing with you what I've discovered about the aesthetic of the Cloud Lavender Galaxy S20 FE versus the Awesome Violet Galaxy A52, and why we chose the S20 FE eventually. Awesome Violet is just the name of the color Samsung calls it. I'm not saying A52 is awesome. Hi everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. Recently, I was comparing the Galaxy A52 and the Galaxy S20 FE for my wife's new phone. She is someone who is more particular about the aesthetic of the phone more than the specs and the technical numbers. When looking at the pictures on the website, the Awesome Violet of the A52 and the Cloud Lavender S20 FE might look very similar, but they are actually very different when you see the real phones themselves. First off, the violet on the back of A52 is just a single tone purple color. No matter how we turn the phone, the purple still looks the same, whereas the lavender color on the S20 FE has a slightly shiny glossy finish. Not exactly glossy, maybe reflective plastic is a better term to describe this. I think Samsung call it Glastic, a combination of glass and plastic. Now, hopefully you can see it on the video. I'm not sure how Samsung did this, but when different types of lightings hit the back of S20 FE, the hue subtly changes between pinkish and purple. For example, outdoor sunlight, night light in the room, and spotlights in shopping center will all create different effects on the back of S20 FE. I don't think my video is doing the phone any justice. You need to see the phone itself. This pinkish purple hue is extended into the silver frame lining of the phone on the Galaxy S20 FE. Take a look at this S20 FE pinkish frame compared with my old S10e Classic silver frame. The S10e Classic silver frame doesn't have the infused pinkish purple hue. Up next, I'll share with you some of the reasons why we went with the Galaxy S20 FE instead of the Galaxy A52. First off, wireless charging. My wife is used to the convenience of simply placing the phone down for charging. A52 does not have wireless charging. And the next thing is, Galaxy S20 FE comes with Samsung DeX, but not the Galaxy A52. It's so convenient to use our mobile phone on a big computer screen. This is my new Dell 27-inch USB-C monitor. We just have to plug in this USB-C monitor into our Samsung S20 FE and we have a full desktop experience. No computer needed. This is a QHD resolution monitor, and S20 FE has no problem driving this monitor. I'll be reviewing this monitor in my next video, by the way. Subscribe so you don't miss out. Now, the other reason why we went with the S20 FE is because of the build quality and the aesthetic. We look at our phones every day, so it's good that we get a phone color and design that we like. Now, things get very interesting in the camera department. On paper, the A52 has a better camera specs. It has a 64 megapixel camera over the S20 FE's typical 12 megapixel camera, and the A52 has an extra macro camera. However, I think the Galaxy S20 FE appears to take better photos and videos. The reason is because it has a faster processor and it can do better image processing, especially in low light condition. The S20 FE is equipped with the Snapdragon 865 chip, whereas the A52 is only using the Snapdragon 720G chip. By the way, the camera on the S20 FE is really impressive. Samsung claiming its ability to shoot great photos in low light condition is actually not a gimmick. Have a look at this unedited footage we shot at the Christmas show we attended last week. It is as if you are watching the show in the concert. With the recent price drop in this holiday seasons, the price of the Galaxy S20 FE has been reduced quite a lot. If you are considering getting the mid-range A52 phone, perhaps you might want to consider the S20 FE, as the price is about the same right now. It's an S-series flagship phone after all. The only advantage I see the Galaxy A52 has over the Galaxy S20 FE is that the Galaxy A52 has a headphone jack. Now, in case this is my last video of the year, I'll wish you a Merry Christmas and a safe and happy holiday season. Remember to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to help my channel grow. Thanks to all of you who have subscribed to my channel all this while. You take care and look after yourself. I'll see you in the next video.